Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. As you can tell from the title, I am doing a Pinterest challenge. So for today's video, I am going to go through my Pinterest board since we all know and love Pinterest. And over the years, I have collected quite a few pins on a lot of them. I'm going to just randomly generate the number of pins that are in each board, and I'm going to do that hairstyle, that makeup, and that outfit. Before we get into this video, feel free to give it a like and also feel free to subscribe, and let's get going. Okay, so from what I've seen, a lot of people do like Pinterest challenges, but they're more like art challenges and stuff. So I'm not sure if people have done it so that Pinterest decides what you look like for the day. I don't know if they've done that, but I'm going to do that based on my personal boards that I already have. We are going to go from there. So just so you can see what I'm doing, it's going to be up here. I am going to start with hair or makeup. I'm going to start with hair because I feel like I want to get that out of the way, and it's a super muggy day, so I'll start sweating and I don't want to ruin my makeup. So we'll start with hair. So I'm going to go to my hair board. So I have 52 pins in my hair board. A lot of these pins in my hair board are going to be for hair coloring, because this is when I was deciding when I want to go blonde 3 years ago. But we're going to open up number generator. And we're going to do 1 to 52. And generate. Number 29. So over to my board, we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Seems simple. So I'm just gonna do some curls in my hair. These are more like voluminous curls, so I'm probably going to do them with a straightener, and that's about it. Pretty basic. Well, let's get going. Alright, so to begin, I just detangled my hair, and I'm just going to put in the Slick Below Quick Drying Thermal Spray from OGX. Alright, so now that my hair is all detangled, the way I straighten or curl my hair is that I just go from one side around to the other. I don't section it. I don't know why I don't, but it's the way I prefer not to. The way I prefer actually to just straighten or curl my hair. So taking one section, brushing this part out. Now with the straightener, I had this one for a couple years now. Just going to lightly go by the roots to make sure they get a little smoother. And my piece size always varies because it just does. And then I'll begin my twirl. And pull down. There we go. One piece done. And I'm going to continue that with my whole head. Alright, so I just did my hair, and it is nice and, I guess, not super curly at the end. For some reason it's not what I'm doing today. Back. But now we're gonna move on to the makeup, which is like the scary part because I'm like, oh, what's gonna be in here? And there is gonna be a cloth for this one. I have some of my own makeup looks pinned to my makeup board that I've done over the years, so I am going to regenerate if I get one of my own makeup looks. We're gonna go to makeup looks, and actually I gotta go back. I have 132 pins in this board, so it's a big one. And So we're gonna go to 132, generate number at 65. So let's keep counting. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Well, this is what we're doing today. I'm gonna get my makeup out and we'll get started. So since I want to stay as true to the makeup as I can, I'm just going to give it a try. Start off with the eyes though, just because they're very, very colorful. It's hard to tell, but I think she has a black to blue liner on the outer corner. So these under part of her eye is gonna lead up to a blue outer wing and then fade into black going right across, which will tie then onto her waterline. Okay, so we got some work ahead of us. I have a couple options for palettes. I have the Afrique palette from Juvia's Place, Orange Jus Grande from ColourPop, and then the Trendy in Tokyo palette from BH. I'm going to start by taping my eyes. Always put the tape on the back of your hand. That's on my lid. I'm going to put a lighter base down so I make sure I get these oranges and yellows pop. So I'm just going to use this one from AOA. It is their Wonder Cover Concealer. You can place that on the lid area and then blend it upwards. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a really light shade for me, so I'm just going to place it right under the brow to blend these two together so that I don't have to worry about it being like too stark next to my brow. To begin, I am going to start with the orange part to the eye. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to try this Orange Jus Grande palette. I'm going to start with Mimosa Mami and begin tapping that in my outer corner. Bring it onto the upper crease area. Now with another blending brush, I'm going to go in with, we're going to try Sunkissed from this palette and try using that to blend out this upper shade area, the shade. She has hers like blended out with just a little bit more yellow. So this one I'm going to dip into the Trendy in Tokyo palette and go in with Karaoke with the same brush, just to add a little more yellow. Now I'm just going to take a concealer brush with this white shade and I'm going to go and cut the front part of my crease, just the top of it, to make sure the yellow really stands out. So now I'm going to go in with the yellow from this palette, just a clean eyeshadow brush, dipping into Karaoke, and we're going to pack that on. To diffuse that edge, I'm just going to actually just in the same palette, dip into Sushi, diffuse these two shades together. Just to deepen this crease just a tad, I'm taking actually in the ColourPop palette, I'm going to go in with just a dip of You Peel Me right on the outer corner. I'm so digging this. I think it's so fun. Ah! I'm going to take an eyeliner and then go on top of it with an eyeshadow and see if that works. I'm just going to take the Star Stamp liner from the Body Shop, my go-to eyeliner, and start to create a wing on this outer corner. Now using the Juvia's Place Sahara palette, or the Afrique palette, I'm taking Côte de l'Ivoire and see if I can stamp that right on top. Yeah. Like if you have a blue eyeliner, you could probably do this with the blue eyeliner, but I don't have one, so I'm just doing the eyeshadow way. I also tightlined quickly while I was off camera, just so I wasn't look like a demon. Just looks so freaking cool. So now we're gonna move on to the face before I finish the lower lash line. It's just gonna be a full coverage face. It's gonna be pretty simple. So I'm just gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation and buffing that onto the skin. And I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer. Make sure I sculpt the skin because she has some very sculpted skin. Now I'm going to set my skin. Mainly, I'm going to use the Blur and Pore Refining Powder underneath my eyes and then use the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Powder on the rest of my face.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars they cut.
Bronze with the Brilliance Bronzer from BH. This is a little bit cooler shade than I would usually use. Then I'm just going to take my pore refining powder again, and I am going to just sculpt the jawline. Time to add some blush. So she has more of a kind of like a rosy looking shade on her cheeks, so that's what I'm going to go for. And she keeps hers farther back on her cheeks, so I'm just going to keep mine like in this area. Yeah, I'm just going to set everything with the Body Shop Makeup Setting Spray. For highlight, I'm just going to use this one I got in a Sephora bag. It is the Jouer Powder Highlight and Skinny Dip. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and apply it just here. Blending. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. So, brows are on. Now we're gonna do the lower lash line, which is gonna be pretty simple. It's just blue. First, it looks like it might have a shimmer in it, so I'll apply a shimmer after I put this blue on. So using the same one from the Sahara Afrique palette, and I'm just going. Oh, in this palette, I'm going to take the Electric and use it on the inner portion of the eye. It doesn't look like she has much of a highlight on her inner corner, but I'm going to add one. In the Afrique palette, I'm just going to take this shade here, Angelique. Applying lashes didn't really work out, as you can see. I underestimated what it's like having your lashes curled or lifted. So we just did mascara. I think it still looks pretty good. So for the lips, I'm going to line them with this red lip liner from the Body Shop called Red Siren. And yeah. And I'm going to use this matte lipstick also from the Body Shop called Havana Red, which has more of like orange in it. So just to add an extra little pop, I'm going to use this lippy stick from ColourPop in the shade Chi Chi. So this is the face look. Now to move on to the outfit. And again with this, I have to hope that I have all the clothes to make it work. I'll do as best as I can, but if not, then I will regenerate a new outfit. So I'm gonna go to outfit ideas, and I have 85 outfit ideas. 1 out of 85. Generate number 28. Oh, that's cute. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 6, 27, 28. I don't have sequins pants. Do I have anything like? Not really. I don't have any sequins pants. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna have to regenerate. Number 3. That's easy. What is it gonna look like? 1, 2, 3. And the way I do it, just so you don't wait, the one that's higher, actually. So it's this one. And let's get ready. Here is the outfit. I had to makeshift this black crop. This is actually a flowy crop top, so all I did was tie it up in the back to make sure it's tight, just like in the photo, or tighter, so it has like a little bit of looseness to it. I am wearing a bralette, just like they have in the photo. I do not have the hat because I don't wear hats besides baseball hats. And I had to go dig out my choker because I'm like, I know I have one. I accessorized with some gold just because my choker had gold on it. And then I had just like this little black watch that I got on Wish for like $1. And then I just put on a pair of black skinnies. So this is the lower half. And the little booties, I have like pretty much the exact pair. I'll include footage of those. I just don't want to go downstairs and get them. This is like a men's chambray style shirt. I plan on DIYing it at some point, but currently it works perfect. Anyways, so how do I look? This is totally something I wouldn't put together myself, like all 3 elements. Personally, if I had this entire outfit, which is probably something I would wear, I would then put probably straight hair, or just have my hair in a bun, because that's me. And then for makeup, I would not be doing this. I would keep it very simple, maybe keep the bold lip, but the eyes would definitely just be like either a smoked out liner and some lashes, or just lashes, and that's it. I'm very happy how this turned out, except I'm mad about the mascara on my eyelids. I can't stand it, and I want to take it off because I hate mascara on my eyelids. Just interesting to see what Pinterest would pick for you, / a number generator. If I had sequins pants, this would be definitely even more fun, but I don't own any, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Feel free to give this video a like, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, if you recreate this, feel free to hashtag like Shondra Headley on YouTube, and I'll see if I'll see it. Or give me a tag on Instagram and I'll see it there too. Pinterest picks what you wear today, how you do your hair, do your makeup. So much fun. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.